Michael Burney State Park, and I am here for a hike. There are many hikes. These are the hikes: Waterfall Hike, Black River, Trout Brook. So from here I have to go to the hiking area. So let's go. It's in the month of March and still it's all over snow here, and literally it's skidding because most of the snow are not yet melted properly, and the river is flowing side by. So from here it's 0.1 mile the waterfall trail is, and here is the 3 purple dot to track the hike. So this is the way, not this one, not this one, this one is the way, and it's 0.1 mile we have to go. So stay in the track and enjoy.
Guten Abend, gut Nacht, mit Rosen bedeckt, mit Näglein besteckt, schlupf unter die Deck, morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt. Morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt. Guten Abend.
So we have come via this route and we went to straight there to see the waterfall. Most of the trail actually blocked by the snow, so we cannot go till the end of the trail, but we can see the waterfall. It's almost frozen. Now let's cross this small bridge, and there is a trail I can see which go up to the mountain, like going inclined and that side I think. So let's go and check what trail is that. And so let's check. This is the riverside trail and it goes this way. Now we have reached to the side of the water, almost at the bottom of the mountain where the river is flowing. So let's go down there. Wow, that's an amazing spot. Here's, you can do the barbecue, seeing the river flowing here. Oh my god, amazing. I'm not sure how much is the trail this way. I mean, it probably 4 mile and along the river, Black River. So it's almost 4:30 and sun is going to set around 5:30. So I have 1 hour and I have to return back. So I have no clue whether it's the loop trail or not. So I am going back the way I have come. And I will explore more some other day, coming a little earlier. Probably, I'm not sure actually, I haven't checked it's a loop or not. So let's go back. And if you want to continue, you have to follow the red dot here, and this is the way. You can see the footsteps there and here. So because of snow, it's not perfect trail path today, but you can easily go. So I'm going back. Actually today I have come here alone hiking this trail, so I haven't take the chance to explore more because the park is open till dusk. Let me go back and first check like what is the total amount, mile to hike actually. Then I will return back some other day and hike this. But the hike is very beautiful.
Home, no more home to me, whither must I wander? Hunger my driver, I go where I must. Cold blows the winter wind over hill and heather.
So it will take like 10-15 minutes more to reach the parking lot, and this is the way. So it's almost the time for sunset. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe for more hiking and travel videos.
With the faces in the fire.